Hello, everybody. How are you? Hope you had a safe 4th of July. I am here with day 5 of hashtag Jelly Postcard Play, hosted by Jerry Griffins. And today I did this one, and I went this way. So, this is a jelly play, and this is just some scrap paper I had, and this is an iron-on. I thought it was a sticker till I went to use it. So what I did is, I just did like I would iron it on. I got my little itty bitty iron, and ironed it onto paper, and it stayed. I didn't know you use no glue, nothing, and it looks good. And it says, "Have more fun. Mermaids have more fun. Have fun. Have more fun. Mermaids have more fun." Man, I can talk here, guys. It's one of those days. So there's my 5. So that is this one. Day 5. Mermaids have more fun. And she got a little flower. I just like this how sparkly. Isn't it sparkle? And I got a couple like this I've discovered. So I may use another one down the road. Not mermaid. I think it's a unicorn. I think I got these from Sabrina, if I'm not mistaken. But thanks for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. Bye for now, and go check out the other people doing them. Bye.